Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. Our Prime Minister PM Narendra Modi ji had a meeting with experts to review oxygen and medicine availability in the country. And in the same meeting, it is coming as per the news that the final year students, MBBS final year students and nursing courses final year students may be asked to join the COVID force as per the government sources. And this decision is taken to help India battle against coronavirus. We have seen that in the recent past, in a couple of days, the number of cases per day is reaching around 4 lakhs, and it's very obvious that the country is looking for more and more healthcare resources. So, in the wake of this lack of resources, and the NEET exam is also delayed. That is national eligibility cum entrance test is also delayed, and this meeting they have taken steps to motivate MBBS pass out and nursing pass out final year students to join COVID battle as a healthcare resource to battle against coronavirus, because this second coronavirus COVID-19 wave is lethal, more lethal than the first one. And in the current time, the country needs more and more healthcare workers. So all the final year MBBS doctors may be getting official notification soon to ask them to join wherever they are studying, in which hospital they are, which medical colleges they are. They will be asked to join as a healthcare resource again to fight against COVID-19. So this is as per the meeting happened with experts on all the availability and how the current situation after the assessment it is taken. And in the meeting, another update I would like to give here. It's not related to those final year MBBS students, but it's important to know 10,000 oxygenated beds are the government had planned to install these many oxygenated beds, and it will be installed in a temporary hospital near the industrial units which produces oxygen of requisite purity to boost up the supply of the life-saving gas to fight against COVID-19. And in this all meeting, PM Modi was available, so you can assume this meeting decision will be coming soon as a notification to all the students. Okay, and so these are the updates. So see, there are two things you might be having in mind. The exam might get delayed even further, because the current batch which is going to pass out, the government is asking them to join as a healthcare resource to battle against COVID-19. And government has raised one more point: those who participate in this battle against COVID-19, they will be issued one certificate, and thus those MBBS doctors will be giving more preference over other in government services. So that's kind of incentive for you to, and kind of motivation for you to join as COVID duty. So it will help you in further examinations where you have opportunity to serve as medical officers in government opportunities. So this is the update from NEET Mentor side. If you have any kind of questions, then you can comment us. You can subscribe to our channel if you are new, and for any counseling related paid service, you can call us to the number given in the description. We have given link of ebooks in the description for open states. All the open states information you can have at one place, so that you can decide accordingly the tuition fee and seat matrix, cutoff marks for last year, DNB cutoff marks, and list of all the hospitals for deemed universities. Also the ebook is available, so you can avail those kind of resources, and you can have at your end to think over it. So what are the opportunity you have based on your if you are looking for private colleges based on your fee and budget limitation. So that's it from our side. So thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye and take care.